Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. I've been getting into crypto trading over the past few months, and I decided to make a comprehensive video on how I initiate my crypto purchases using Canadian dollars and how I cash out. Please note this video doesn't contain any guaranteed tips and techniques on how to trade cryptos, it's just the process of buying and selling that I find suits my needs the best. So the first thing I do when buying or selling cryptos is to decide whether I will be reinvesting money I've already put into the system or putting in new money. For this video, let me show you how to put in new money into the system. This is going to be a complete tutorial from scratch. So we're going to decide whether we want to initiate a trade within the hour. So this is something like if you see something that's rising quickly and you really want to get in fast, then we're going to go with option A. And if you're down with waiting a bit more, we'll go with option B. So option A is Coinbase, and I'll be putting all the links of these websites in the description. So Coinbase is a website which allows you to buy cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin using your credit and debit card. So this is extremely convenient. The pro is that you have your Bitcoins instantly, but the con is that Coinbase takes very high fees, 4%. So if you're fine with waiting a day to get your Bitcoins and having lower fees, you can go for option two, which is Quadriga CX. This is a company based out of Vancouver and has a very easy to use platform for both buying and selling Bitcoins. They offer bank transfer and Interac online transfer, so there's no debit or credit cards here to buy on their website. But both of these options have much lower fees than Coinbase's 4%. So if you can wait, then I'd recommend going with Quadriga CX. I almost always use Coinbase since I like trading quickly and don't mind the 4%. So I'll show you how to do that. So the first thing we're going to do is open up their website. So you can click on the description below for their link. Once you are here, let's sign out first. We're going to go and sign up for a new account. So that's the button on the top right. It's a very standard sign up page. Just enter all the information here and they'll ask you to verify your email. So you're going to go ahead and do that. Once you're in there, we're going to log in. And on your homepage, you're going to see a bunch of useful information. So right now we have Bitcoin selected. This is showing you the Canadian price in Bitcoin. This is the how much it's gone up since the last month. So it's quite a good amount. It's gone up 69.28% in 1 month. This is the trend. This isn't a very informative trend, to be honest, but it looks nice. And it's basically a good user experience, good, easy to use. It also shows you your portfolio down here, so how much of each coin I have. Um, I wouldn't recommend keeping cryptos in exchanges. That's why I don't have much here, but that's a topic for another time. Um, Once you're here, you're gonna have to verify yourself on the exchange. So you're gonna have to show some ID, like a driver's license. When you press on buy and sell over here, it'll ask you to do that. I've already done it, so it doesn't ask me. Um, Go ahead and do that. That's going to be an important step on basically any exchange that you're a part of, including the other two websites that we're going to be talking about today. Um, you're going to go to settings as well and enable two-factor authentication. This is also a very important step because if you don't have two-factor authentication set up and someone gets your account's password, that's it, all your money is gone. With two-factor, it makes it pretty much near impossible. They have to get your phone to be able to access your account. So they need a physical thing, or they have to hack into your phone, which is a whole other thing. So please enable two-factor authentication on every website that you use. Once you have all of this set up, we're going to go on the buy and sell tab and we're going to put in an amount that we want to buy. So let's say we're starting off and we just want to put in about $250. You might not actually be able to do that because your weekly limit might not be enough yet. As you keep doing purchases, your weekly limit will keep going up. Let's say we put in $200. It's taking, as you can see, 7.98, which is about $8, which is what they charge, 4%. And that's giving you that many Bitcoins. As soon as I press this button, those Bitcoins will be bought and I'll instantly have them in this account. Now that you have Bitcoins, if that's all you wanted to trade, you're basically good. You don't have to do anything else. But there are thousands of other coins out there, cryptocurrencies. These are called altcoins. And if you want to trade those, which are definitely way more interesting than just Bitcoin, we're going to go to bitrex.com. And the link for that is also going to be in the description. You're also going to create an account on this website and get verified. Once you're in and you logged in, this is going to be a slightly intimidating interface, but it's a lot more informative than Coinbase, so it's actually a lot more useful as well. On the homepage here, it's showing you a lot of different markets and coins that are popular right now. So it'll give you the currency name, the volume, so how much has been used in the past 24 hours. This is all in Bitcoins. The reason why we had to buy our Bitcoins off of Coinbase is that Bitrex, the website we're on now, does not deal with any fiat currency. Fiat is all the real world currencies we use, like US dollars, Canadian dollars. This Bitrex website only deals with Bitcoins. So if you want to trade in here, you have to have Bitcoins. So what we're going to have to do first is transfer our Bitcoins from Coinbase onto Bitrex. We're going to press on wallets on the top right, and we are going to find this Bitcoin symbol. So in the symbols column, let's just type on the search bar on the right here, BTC. There's Bitcoin. Uh, Bitcoin's right there. We're gonna press on this plus button that's to the left of the Bitcoin. This is gonna show us our Bitcoin wallet address. Uh, the way cryptos work is if you want to transfer uh, cryptocurrencies between different exchanges, you're going to be transferring them between wallets. This is the ID that identifies this wallet, and there's no other wallet in the world with the same ID. If you want to transfer Bitcoins to this Bitrex Bitcoin wallet address, this is the one you use. You're going to go ahead and copy this, go back to Coinbase, go to the Accounts tab, and this send, if I had any Bitcoins, would not be grayed out, so I'd be able to press it, and it would go to another page, which would let me send some Bitcoins. I would paste the address that I just got from here as the address that I'm sending to, and I would enter the amount of Bitcoins I want to send, and I would accept, and then you're going to have to wait. So you're going to have to wait anywhere between 10 minutes to about an hour and a half. This is one of the big disadvantages of Bitcoin, the wait times. If you want to see more about how that works, I'm going to link a video in the description. And it's a great video about how blockchain works in general, which is what Bitcoin and I believe every other cryptocurrency is based off of, the blockchain technology. So you can check that out. It's really cool and it teaches you what you're dealing with, so it makes more sense and you can explain to people why this is a cool technology. Once your Bitcoins have arrived, um, it's going to say available balance is more than, basically this is zero. It's going to show a positive number. And that means you're ready to start trading cryptos. This is the fun part. So you're going to press on the search bar again and type in any cryptocurrency you're interested in. So let's say you check up Neo. So that was the one that was trading a lot. You're interested in seeing what this is. In the symbols tab, you'll see Neos down here. Not that one. You're going to click on that one because that's the actual Neo. This will bring you to the Neo trading page. So this is an excellent graph compared to the Coinbase one. We can go check that one out again if you're interested. The Coinbase one is very like, that's it. It just shows you like a line. This shows you up to minute by the minute. So on the top left, there's a drop down. This is a minute by minute change of what's happening with the coin. So you can really get a granular view. Red lines are going down, green lines are going up. And if you're interested in seeing a lot of different tools that Bitrex offers, in the studies tab up here, you can do different types of studies, RSI, stochastic. There's a lot of different options here. It also gives you options about the different stats about the coin over the past day. So this is the last trading price in Bitcoins. and it also gives it to you in US dollars and a smaller value up there. Uh, this is how many uh, of that coin has been traded in Bitcoins over the past 24 hours. So this has the largest volume over the past day, 24,000 Bitcoins, and that's a lot of money. That's in the hundreds of millions of dollars has been traded over the past day. So you can see it's a very high volume coin. It's very active. And it also gives you the high and low. So the high was $41.24, low was $30.12. Once you have a coin that you're interested in buying, we're going to come down here, scroll down a little to the trading tab. The trading tab lets you buy and sell the coin that you're interested in, and it's very easy to use. So under the bid row, you're going to press on price, and you're going to pick which of the three you want to do. So when you're buying Neo, you're bidding. So you're going to bid, and you're going to type the bid that you want to buy each Neo at. So right now the price is this much. Let's just be crazy and say you're buying it at that much. So no one's going to sell it to you for way lower than the price that it's selling at. We're going to try because we're feeling ambitious. And we're going to press max. So this is showing how many Neo you're going to get for the price you entered. And you're going to press buy Neo. And this is the market average right now. Once you do this, it's going to put in an order to buy that much Neo. And someone's going to fill it out eventually. Um, because it's the average price, it's probably going to get filled out quickly. And that'll be that. And you're good to go. When you buy altcoins using the trading buy Neo method here, or buy altcoin method, you're putting up a selling order for someone else to fill up. So a buying order for someone else to pick up. So you have to wait for someone else to say, oh, that looks interesting. I'm going to sell my altcoins to that person. If you want to buy instantly, you're going to look down here in the order book and go to the asks table. And over here, this is what people are asking for their Neo. So right now the average is that much. So that's what is right there. This guy's selling 197 Neos now for that much. If I want to buy Neos from him, I'll press this and it'll give me an option to spend all my Bitcoin on as many Neo as I can buy from him, and I can confirm that. If I do that, I'll instantly get it. So using this method, I have to wait for someone to fill the order. Using this method, it gets filled instantly. So I prefer this method because market's really volatile. You don't know when it's going to go up and down. This is like guaranteed. Once you press on the button on the right here, the drop down, the blue one, and you buy the altcoin that you want, if you press on wallets again, it'll show up here. The order is instantly filled. There's no waiting. Your balance is available immediately. If you want to go sell it now, because let's say it went up 100% and you want to cash out, you're going to come down here and just go to the other diagonal. So the sell Neo and the bids. So sell Neo is the same thing as buy Neo. You do the exact same thing, but this time instead of bidding, you're asking. And you're asking this amount and how many Neos you want to sell. Let's say you want to sell all of them, you would press max, and it's going to sell all of them. This is how much money you're going to sell it for. You're going to press the sell Neo button, and it's going to put up a selling order where people can buy from you. If you don't want to do that and you want to sell instantly, you look at what people are bidding right now, and you click on the blue drop down here, and you fill out their order. So if this one's buying 52, I'm gonna press on this and sell all my Neo instantly. So this is the more immediate quick method again, so that's what I prefer as well. Once you sell it, you're selling it for Bitcoins, so when you go back to your wallets, you type in BTC, and you're gonna have Bitcoins that you just sold that altcoin for. Now the final step of this whole process is cashing out your Bitcoins for actual money you can use in the real world. What you're gonna do is go to Quadriga CX, and again, there's a description link with a referral code in it, so please use that. Once you go to Quadriga, I'm already logged in here, so my account's there. But if you weren't logged in, you'd have to create an account, get verified. This is also a very simple verification process. Every exchange requires it. You go to dashboard, you have your available Bitcoin tab on the right here. And what you're going to go ahead and do is press fund. This basically is your Bitcoin wallet on Quadriga. Just like we had a Bitcoin wallet on Bitrex, this is your wallet on Quadriga. So if you want to transfer funds to here, go ahead and copy this wallet address, go to Bitrex, and this time, next to Bitcoin, instead of pressing on the plus to add funds, you're going to press minus to withdraw funds. You're going to paste in that same address. I like to double check it, so just check like the last few digits on both sides to make sure they match up. Because if you mistype a single character here, all those Bitcoins are lost. You type in the Bitcoins you want to transfer, whatever the amount is. I wish I had that much. If you want to just transfer all of them, you can press on this blue button. It'll just transfer everything that you have and press withdrawal. Now this again will take 10 minutes to an hour and a half to transfer. As soon as Quadriga receives that you are transferring funds to this wallet, you'll see confirmation uh, notification show up, which is next to this QR code on the right side. It'll say 0 out of 7 confirmations or 1 out of 7 confirmations. Once all 7 confirmations are done, your funds will be available. You'll press back on this dashboard icon on the top, and it'll show you a Bitcoin amount that you have available on Quadriga to use. You're going to go ahead and press sell Bitcoin on the center tab here and type in how many you want to sell. Let's say you want to sell all of the ones you just got, but basically you're just going to copy this number and paste it here. This is going to sell all those Bitcoins. You press sell Bitcoin and it instantly will sell all of them. There's no wait. When you do that, you're going to have Canadian dollars available and you're going to press withdraw. You have a lot of different options here. I prefer the Interac e-transfer because even though it has a bit of higher fees than all the other ones, it's very easy to use. It's literally just an email. So I prefer doing that. I'll select this. I'll pick the amount that I want to transfer. So it'll show you the amount that's in your wallet here. So let's say it was $200. So I'll put in 200. Just note that Interac e-transfer is a minimum 100 on the website, max 5,000. So you gotta keep that in mind. They take, I believe it's a 2% plus $5 fee. So 2% of 200 is $4 and $5 added to that. So that's a $9 fee. So I'm getting 191. A $9 fee is quite high, but honestly, the convenience you're getting, I don't mind it. If you're gonna put in the 200, your name, you're gonna type in the address that you want the e-transfer to go to. And when you created your account, you had to make a transaction pin. You have to put that pin in here and press submit. At this point, you're gonna wait about a day to get the e-transfer email in. After 2 days, I would call their support. I've never had that. I've done multiple trades withdrawals on here, and it's always happened within a day, no problem. This fee you're getting is guaranteed. They're not gonna like change the price on you or something after. So this is a guaranteed fee. Once you're cashed out and the e-transfer comes in, you just open it up on your phone. It'll say e-trans Quadriga, or I think it's they have a third-party company or something they use, Billerfly or something. Wants to give you 200 or $191. Do you accept? Yes. They have a security question, which is your transaction pin. So this is a really important pin. Make sure you don't forget it and save in a safe space. You'll answer their security question and you get the money. So that's the tutorial. It sounds tedious in the beginning, but once you have everything set up, it's pretty easy to use. So if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I'll try to get to as many as I can. And thanks for watching.